Assalamu alaikum, my lovely student. My name is Tasneem Fatma and I am your nursery teacher. Good morning, my students. How are you all? I hope you are all going good. Now get ready for the circle time. In the circle time, we start with the 1000 tasmiyah first. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. I start with the recitation of Surah Hamd, then Surah Ikhlas, and then Surah Asr. In this month, we have the Pehla Kalma and the Dusra Kalma. After that, I conclude with the खाने से पहले की दुआ एंड खाने के बाद की दुआ. Then we have दूध पीने की दुआ and सफ़र की दुआ. Okay, we start with the अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन अर्रहमान अर्रहीम मालिक यौमिद्दीन इय्याका नअबुदु व इय्याका नस्तईन इहदिना सिरातल मुस्तकीम सिरातल लज़ीना अनअमता अलैहिम गैरिल मग़ज़ूबि अलैहिम वलस्वालीन. बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम. कुल हुवल्लाहु अहद अल्लाहुस समद लम यलिद वलम यूलद वलम यकुल लहू कुफुवन अहद. Now it's time for Surah Asr, that is included in your Islamiyat books. You can see it in your Islamiyat book. Okay, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Wal asri innal insana lafi khusr illa allazina amilu wa amilus solihati wa tawasaw bil haqqi wa tawasaw bis sabr. After this, we have done with the surahs. So Sadaqallahu al-Aliyyul Azim. Then we start with the Pehla Kalma. पहला कलमा तैयब. तैयब माने पाक. ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाहु मोहम्मद रसूलुल्लाह. दूसरा कलमा शहादत. शहादत माने गवाही. अशहदु अन ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाहु वहदहु ला शरीका लहु व अशहदु अन्ना मोहम्मदन अब्दुहु व रसूलुहु. After this, when we have done with the Pehla Kalma and the Dusra Kalma, now we can start with the Masnoon Duaएं. So before you take any meal, you have to pray to Allah for giving me everything. So खाना खाने से पहले की दुआ क्या होगी? बिस्मिल्लाहि व अला बरकतिल्लाह. मैंने अल्लाह के लिए, अल्लाह के नाम के साथ और अल्लाह की बरकत पर खाना शुरू किया. With the translation. Okay, then after completing your meal, you have to do the dua after eating. Alhamdulillahillazi at'amana wa sakana wa ja'alna minan muslimin. Okay, then we have the दूध पीने की दुआ. Allahumma barik lana fihi wa zidna minhu. Okay, meanwhile we have to learn the सफ़र की दुआ. सुब्हानल्लज़ी सख़्ख़र लना हाज़ा व मा कुन्ना लहू मुक़रिनीन व इन्ना इला रब्बिना लमुनक़लिबून. Okay, in today's lesson you are all practicing naming different parts of the body. We will do lots of energetic activities, sing a poem, do a worksheet. We will learn the identification of the body parts, because in this month we have to cover the my body parts. It is the theme of the month and you have to cover the my body parts. I have given you the related worksheet according to the dates. Then you will complete it and return it to me. Okay, we will learn the identification of body parts through flashcards and got to know the importance of each body part. For example, when I show the flashcard of head, you can touch your head, etc. When I show the flashcard of nose, through nose you can smell it, and through the my body parts you can also feel the senses. You know how many senses do we have? We have 5 senses. Now it's time for the introduction of my body parts. According to our theme today, I am going to tell you about this body part. This is very important body part. This is eye. You can see from eyes. Okay, you can see what is this. This is eyes. Eyes is a very useful body parts. Through eyes we can see everything. We can see our parents, we can see our natural things, we can see flowers, plants. Through when we don't have an eyes, we cannot able to see anything. Okay, the next body parts I am going to introduce you is this nose. What is this? This is nose. through nose we can smell good and bad things. I hope you all understand the two body parts, the two body organs. It is eyes and nose. Okay, today I am going to cover these two body parts, eyes and nose, and from tomorrow we have tomorrow we have also cover again two body parts. Okay, after body parts I have given you the concept of big and small. You know what is big and what is small. Big is this and small is this. Take two objects of different sizes and differentiate between them which is big and which is small. Can you see this? Can you see this picture? This keyboard is big and this keyboard is small. So by seeing this picture you can differentiate between the big and the small concept. Okay, for example, I have given you this circle. This is big, and meanwhile I am giving you this one. So you can differentiate between these two. This is big and this is small. Okay, big, small. After the completion of the concept and the names of the parts of the body, we have some GK questions. In GK we have first, what is the name of our country? Who is the founder of Pakistan? What is the capital of Pakistan? What is the national language of Pakistan? And what is the national game of Pakistan? The answers is mentioned. Name the national animal of Pakistan. Name the national bird of Pakistan. How many days in a week? How many seasons? Introduction of color red. Do you see which color is this? This is red color. Can you recognize this color? This is red. How many things do you see in your surroundings which is in red color? I think your dress, or a bag, or a pencil, a toy car, basket, eraser, or any book. You can see so many things in red color. So it's very easy to recognize which color is this. Okay, this is red color. Now wrap up our morning sessions, our circle time sessions, with these poems in English and Urdu. We have Twinkle Twinkle, Teddy Bear, Incy Wincy, Head and Shoulders. Head and Shoulders is included due to our theme of the month. Okay, our theme of the month is my body parts, so I have included this poem, Head and Shoulders, Knees and Toes. Okay, in Urdu we have आलू मियाँ, अबू लाए मोटर कार, दो मोटे मोटे हाथ, एंड बिल्ली मैंने पाली है. ओके, after this get ready for the board lesson. Okay, I can start my board lesson with the letter sound L. With the letter sound L. L is a straight line. I'll start with this point, go down, 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 and stop. L is a standing line. What is this? It's L. Now we have the vocabulary: ill lamp, ill lion, ill lemon, and ill leaf. Ill lamp, ill lion, ill lemon, ill leaf. What we have? Ill lamp, ill lemon, ill lion, ill leaf. In today's class, we have done with the first page in book and as well as in copies, and today we have do page number 2 of phonic practice copy 2A. Okay, this is your classwork, and phonic practice 2A copy, this is your homework, means page 3. It is your English work. Okay, this is the revision of your English work. Okay. Now we can start with the maths work. In maths, we have this book, Number Concept Series 2. We are practicing 1. How to write 1. Okay, we have done this with the page number 7, and I have given you the homework in this copy. This is number practice copy 2A. Open page number 2. This is your classwork for today, and page number 3 is your homework. Okay, we are practicing the whole week. We are only practicing the number 1, and in oral we have done with the 1 till 10 counting. Okay, in Urdu we have this book, मेरी उर्दू की किताब, आओ कायदा पढ़ें, एंड उर्दू की अमनी किताब. फर्स्ट मैं स्टार्ट करूँगी आओ कायदा पढ़े से, जिसमें हमने इंट्रोड्यूस कराया था हुरूफ तहज्जी अलिफ. जो कि है अलिफ से अनार, अलिफ से ऊंट, अलिफ से अंगूर और अलिफ से इस्तरी. अलिफ से अनार, अलिफ से ऊंट, अलिफ से अंगूर, अलिफ से इस्तरी. हुरूफ के साथ तस्वीर के साथ नाम लेके मैंने आप लोग को ये बताया है कि इसके साथ अलिफ से हमारे पास क्या क्या चीज़ें शुरू होती हैं. अब हम इसकी एक्सरसाइज करेंगे जो कि बुक में भी है और कॉपी में भी है. ठीक है, बुक में पेज नंबर हम खोलेंगे मेरी उर्दू की किताब. पेज नंबर 1, जिसमें हमारे पास तस्वीर के साथ साथ बताया गया है कि अलिफ से क्या क्या चीज़ें शुरू होती हैं. जैसे कि अलिफ से अनार, अलिफ से अमरूद, अलिफ से अंगूर, अलिफ से अलमारी और अलिफ से ऊंट. फिर हम आएंगे अपनी उर्दू की अमनी किताब. है पेज नंबर 1 क्लास वर्क में. ओके, एंड पेज नंबर 2 मैंने दिया है होमवर्क में. आई होप यू ऑल कैन अंडरस्टैंड ईजिली. आई होप आज की क्लास आपको पसंद आई होगी. जैसे कि आज मैंने इंग्लिश, उर्दू एंड मैथ्स तीनों सब्जेक्ट्स के 1-1 पेज आपको क्लास वर्क में दिए हैं और 1-1 पेज मैंने आपको होमवर्क में दिए हैं. आई होप यू विल ऑल कंप्लीट योर वर्क and show me tomorrow, then I will check it and proceed to the other letter sounds or other number or huruf tehji. Okay, I hope you are all going good. So I am signing off, and inshallah see you tomorrow in my next class. Allah Hafiz my students. Take care, stay safe and stay at home.